My dad just called. She's just come also. Woo! She's just come. Judy. My dad just called from the vaccination center. He just got his second dose. Praise and thank God for that. My mom in India got both hers at home. They went to the house to give them as her and my uncle their vaccines, and it's drizzling and I'm tired. Nice day, nice weather. Linda is inside. Hi, Wei. And work. After this, I'll go to Auntie's. I need to help Huiling with her homework. Then I got another class at 8. These birds always go there. So nice to have visitors like that on the balcony. Oh, Marco will love that. No sunset today, no twilight today. Just please pray for Penang. I think that's all I can say. 5 major factories closed, including B. Brown. Medical supplies, they've closed as well. All due to COVID. Yeah. She's singing our national anthem. Our Independence Day is on the 31st of this month.